Hi, Sir Sam.
Hi, Sam.
Hi, Sir Sam.
Hi, Sir Sam.
Hi Sam, Hi Sir Sam.
Hi, Sir Sam.
Hi, Sam.
Hi, Sir Sam.
Hi, Sir Sam.
Hi dear Sam, happy birthday. Stay very well, especially kasi birthday. Always take care of yourself. Ipagpatuloy na ang pagiging mabuting tao at bawas-bawasan ang masyadong pagiging pogi dahil baka malamangan si Eric. Ang isa ka sa mga tumulong para maging stable ang account lalo na ang Mandis. At the same time, good luck on your new career, new path. And of course, for your successful kaya kalilipat. And I will not take it as a negative, but I will take it as a positive. Patuloy na magpayaman at hoping na balang araw na magkita tayo ulit. Nakakotse ka na, no? At nakakakita ko. Ayoko na kasi sa kotse ni Eric, medyo masikip na kami. So, ayun lang. I wish you good health and of course, always successful career. So, yun lamang at maraming salamat sa buhay mo at sa buhay ng English ng ating nagawa. Maraming salamat at sa muli natin makikita kayo sa mabuhay.
Hi, Sir Sam. Bye.
Hi Sam, thank you for all your dedication to the team as well as to the account, and good luck on your new role. Hi Sir Sam, I just want to say thank you sa guidance mo sa aming sa QA journey namin, and we are always proud of you. Good luck sa bagong role mo and sa bagong account. Sana makita ka ulit namin and wag mo kaming kalimutan. Thank you and take care always. We all are always proud of you. Bye!
Hi, Sir Sam. Good luck sa new journey mo dyan sa Eastwood. And thank you for being one of our best leads dito as a QA. And ayun, take care and andito lang kami. See you around!
Hi, Sam. So, thank you for the past months, weeks, days, time, seconds. And thank you for the guidance and hope to see you around. Ciao.
Hi, Sir Sam. Kumusta? Goodbyes were really hard, pero I'm really excited for your new venture and your success. See you around and chat-chat na lang po.
Hi, Sir Sam. Yun, thank you sa sa support na binigay mo sa akin nung bago ko rito sa team. And ingat palagi. Yun lang.
Sir Sam, thank you po sa lahat. Thank you po. Paalam.
Hi, Sir Sam. Ayun, thank you so much sa mga naturo mo and for guiding us, for guiding everyone. Ayun, good luck sa bagong journey mo. Ayun, see you around. Rock and roll.
Hi, Sam. Thank you for everything, lalo na sa mga pag-intindi mo sa mga amats namin. So, ayun for me, no goodbyes, just see you around. Bye!
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Isa muna, isa.